What is going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm here at Discount Tires, as you can see, my favorite place in the world when I'm doing anything wheel or tire related. So I'm back here with the new ZR2 and it is wheel day. It's time to swap out the factory wheels that I have on here. And again, these are good looking wheels. I already got a guy here that works for Discount Tires that possibly going to buy these things off me today, which was kind of shocking, but he really likes them. He knows they're less than 500 miles on these wheels and tires, so he's pretty excited about it. But guys, I got my wheels back here in the back of the truck, and like I told you, I wanted to go back with Rock-Trex wheels because I really like what they do with their product. So I got the Rock-Trex here in the back, pulled one out, and he wanted to look at them as well because he was wondering why on earth was I getting rid of the wheels, because he really likes the way the wheels look on the truck. So I'm just going to kind of give you a preview. Rock-Trex does a really good job as far as packaging, making sure your wheels don't get damaged. So I'm really happy about that. This is a cover. I have a ring to kind of attach to it so you know what's going on as far as no damage to your vehicle. But these are what I'm putting on the truck. I went with a bronze wheel, and I'm excited about them. This is my first time doing bronze versus all black that I've done before in the past on several vehicles, or even chrome like I did on the Chevy Silverado I had. This time, excuse me, I'm trying to put this back. So this time I'm going with a bronze wheel, and again, these wheels are Rock-Trex. They're 17-inch wheels with a -18 offset. So I'm gonna have the opportunity to film this thing. I talked to the guy in there and he's all cool with it. And again, this is with Rock-Trex, and these wheels cost me $740 just for the wheels. That's freaking incredible. So a whole brand new set of wheels has cost me $740, guys. So we're gonna film this thing going in and also them putting on the wheels. He said he was cool with that. So they're gonna mount and balance these things out for me and get me back on the road. And I can't wait to see how the truck turns out with them. So guys, stay tuned and I'll be back.
out the correct centering ring.
Ooh, yeah, that looks rough. Okay, YouTube, I'm back, and this is the end result of the installing of the Rocktrek wheels, and I think it has turned out looking really good. And again, I went with a spoke look, and these are bronze wheels, and as you can see, it has the chrome accents on it. As you can see, it has the bead locks, and those are not real bead locks, but they have the bead locks look. And I had them to do chrome lug nuts on here as well to kind of help bring that out a little bit, and also tips for the tires there as well. And again, this is a kind of a full look of the truck now, how it stands with the new wheels on it. You definitely can see some poke. These have a negative 12 offset, and I've had these before, again on the black Chevy Colorado I had, and you can see the poke on it. It's not a lot of poke, but I think it's just the amount of poke that the truck needs. It didn't need a lot to it. I didn't want them sticking way out because I knew that would affect definitely my gas mileage, but I just really like the way this turned out. And again, the sun is out, so forgive me if it's a little glaring, especially on a white vehicle. But I have taken this thing around a little bit to do a little off-roading on it with the guys around the area when I have a real big open field. So we kind of played around out there a little bit, but I think the truck is turning out looking really good. And again, you can see that poke on the side of it. But Rocktrek, man, I think you just can't go wrong. $740 for a full set of wheels, discount tires. You know, they gave me a decent price for balance and mounting these things, and I'm really pleased with the way this thing is turning out. Guys, again, of course, I got more mods coming to the truck, but with the tent, with the side assist steps added to it, and also with these wheels, I think it just gave a definitely the look I've been going for with the truck. So guys, that is the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.